How to use the Windows 11 requirements checker. Hello friends, follow the steps to use Windows 11 requirements checker. Go to the video description and click on the link given there. The tool will be downloaded in your default browser. Once completed, click on it. Check this box. I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on install. Once installed, click on finish. On the PC Health Check app, click on the check now button. You will get the result instantly. Have a look on the result. This PC meets Windows 11 requirements. Click on see all results. The details of the checking are given here about secure boot, TPM, supported processor, memory size, system disk. All the data will be given here. This will tell you whether you can install Windows 11 or not. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.